There's nothing like doing 2 at a time to confuse everybody.
Exactly.
It's about as far as you're going to go with 2 at a time, and you have to start doing each one independently. Because I have very little faith that both these angles are going to be identical.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The valves hit each other and go both together. See? Called valve overlap. Doesn't work too good. Should be enough on that one. One for you, one for me. Damn, look at that one.
Nice.
That one there, I can't tell what the hell's going on, but he ain't happy. What happened on that one? We one and done?
Yeah, seems like it.
Let's see. Start scrubbing right there. A little bit lower. Can't tell that light. Scrubbing right there. It's a little bit lower list than the other one, but some of your rock arms are so out of whack. Not too bad. I'd like to catch more beginning. Yeah. As little as that pad is, I'd rather get more and get some more of this to come in. I'll have to change the angle slightly, but it's runnable the way it is. I just don't like it being quite that narrow, but I have a strong chance of screwing it up.
Exactly.
That's on the
You can
intake.
just do more damage than it's worth.
Yeah, well, it'd be nice to pick up like a little bit more earlier. Wonder how much that really is at beginning. Keep an eye on see what real lift is. Coming off. See the mark in the valve though. You can see where it's hitting on the valve. See, right in the center.
Mm-hmm.
It's not rubbing it off very well. I did take off the early part though. See how I got more
Yeah.
early? So we had to put more pressure on the early part to make it take it off. So it's gonna cross the whole face. So that one's good. One and done.
You
Got
take
lucky.
that.
Got lucky. This one here is one and sucks. The angle's relatively close though. But just everything else is a lot of crap. Now it wears in a little better. Definitely need more surface area. But the angle looks good, surprisingly. It's actually better than the other valve. Start scrubbing about there. Pretty far open. Actually not too awful bad. Just not enough area on the inside. Let's see if I'll come in early. Nope. There's still too much radius in it. So this one might grind a little bit flatter. This one over here, I think we're probably okay with. So, pretty close on both actually, surprisingly.
Good result.
I guess 3 of the 4 angles were close. The first one did way the hell out of whack. Alright, let's go play with this a little bit. Alright, so this one here. Gonna try to grind more on the top angle, I'm guessing. Just needs to go deeper to pick up more area. More radius than expected. Curve, got a lot bigger pad. See if we're close. I don't want to get too tired of not doing any more arms.
All right.
Keep my activity up. Do a set of arms a day.
Only arms from now on.
Yeah. How much money I'm going to make doing all these arms.
All right.
Takes hours to figure all this junk out. Alright. Get the black mark there. We're definitely way on the inside now. Screw the bad about there. Got worse. The angle changed slightly. I gotta grind more on the inside. It's hitting way early on the inside. And we're slightly higher up here than that. That's the way it ground this time. But I'm not going to play with the angle, but I'm going to play with the curve. So I got to grind a little bit more on the inside edge. I grind too much off the top. See, it's hitting real heavy here at the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Scrubbing over pretty quickly, so. Alright. Ah, sure. Curve's good, but the angle's off now. I'm stroking across the whole face now.
Yeah.
But the angle has changed. Still hitting way on the inside, looks like. But it rolls better. I didn't scrub until way over here now. It's way open. But the angle is definitely off. Damn. That would have been runnable. But now it's grindable. I gotta grind this more.
Right.
I'll make an adjustment on the table and come back. Do about that much. Alright. Pad's getting bigger. That means our rocker arm's getting less.
Mm-hmm. A little lighter.
It's sort of in the in the middle there, but it's coming in now. Just has to wear through the crud.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely not hitting on the tip at all, but it's got a pretty wide contact area. It's hitting early. Definitely got a weird angle in it. This is way early on the arm. I don't know if that's good or bad. It's just the arms are so short. There's so much ground off. I don't know. I don't usually like them having contact
Right.
away on the inside like that. I'm gonna try grinding a little more on the inside. I think it's taking a very light cut, but needs more. The angle's good though. That does happen on knuckleheads all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. The question was, if we keep shorting the arm, this cover gets up higher, it's going to come to hit the cover. The push rod will get way up in there, and it will at some point. So we're going to have to do a mock-up, a full assemble mock-up. Let's see how high it really gets to.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, what's the other way? Didn't do anything. Ground different. Maybe it's a build up on the damn. It's got a lot of build up on the valve. Nope, it's definitely growing more that way. Damn. This one's fighting me a little bit. And it keeps being on the inside. I can't stop it. This geometry sucks. A lot of scrubbing going on. You start scrubbing from there across. Definitely better before. I have no idea why the angle changed. Just how the disc ground. Alright, one more time. See, that's all loose. If that made effect. Nope. Alright. One more time.